Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a how I curl my hair video. So if you're interested how to get these lovely curls or waves, then continue watching. So I get asked what I actually use to curl my hair, whether it's in braids or I don't use straighteners or anything like that. I use a waver. It's basically like a massive crimper. But it's just one big one. I have done a video on this before, and I'll link it up in the archives if you want to go watch that one. But because I have different hair, and I kind of do it slightly different now because I like my hair quite shiny but also to stay in place. My other one that I used, it kind of like was a bit more stiff and gel and stuff like that. Hi baby. So yeah, this is the Bedhead Wave Artist. You can get a lot of them from different places, but this is the one I like using. This is from America, so I do have a American plug, but I just use this just to transfer it to a UK plug. These are from Amazon. They only cost me about, I think it was like $16. Postage, they only was about £12. Ava's just playing guitar next to me, so if you hear music, that's what it is. So yeah, I absolutely love these. The only negative that I'd say about them is there's no like temperature, like visual temperature on there. You can make it go higher and lower by twisting this little thing here, but you don't actually know how hot it is. I've heard like my straighteners tell me the degrees of them, so I know that I'm not using too high. So yeah, I'm just going to plug these in and let them warm up. So whilst that is heating up, it doesn't take long at all. I am just going to spray my hair with some heat protection spray. I'd pretty much get any that I could get my hands on. So I'm just going to spray this everywhere, especially my ends, because yeah, my hair does need a bit of a trim. My ends are getting ridiculously dry now. And then yeah, in my other video where I show you guys how to use it, I section off my hair because I had bright red hair. I think I could get away with a massive hair. But what I tend to do now is just section it myself, like do it like that, rather than doing each layers, because I'm not bothered about it going near the top. Just because I more want like a beach wave rather than a quite tight one. I used to get with that. So yeah, I split my hair into two. And they are ready to use. Instead of splitting my hair into loads of different sections, I'm just going to do like one by bit by bit like this. This is how I tend to straighten my hair. Also with these, I don't use them like that. I use them upside down because the way it curls, it will curl under, and if you use it that way, it'll curl over. So it'll flick out at the bottom. So this way, it actually curls under rather than splits. So yeah, I just pop it on for a couple of seconds. And then just gently slide it down. You kind of feel the hair from the wave actually go into place. So yeah, it's very easy to do. It's very quick as well. That's what it looks like at the minute. It's a nice little wave to it. I'm just going to carry on doing this side. Like I said, I'm not going to split it in sections like across, just down, and I tend to at the top as well when I get closer to the front, not to hold it on for so long because you get quite a big dint at the top, so I want it to be more subtle. So yeah, just do the rest of this side of my hair. So this side is all done. Now onto this one. Apologies if I look away and look over here. That's where my mirror is, so I can see a bit better. I'll just do the same that I did on that side, just section it off little by little. now I have sorted all my hair, I'm going to give it a bit of a brush. It turns a bit puffy, but it makes it shiny. And then to kind of like calm down that puffiness and so it keeps in place, just going to spray some hairspray on it. I use hairspray that is either conditioning but I've run out, so I got this one. It's a natural hold, so it's not too like, you know, either sticky or thick on my hair. And I just spray all that through. Because I have got one side of my hair that's obviously, I've not got a centre part and I've got a side part. This part tends to bug me and I tend to want it behind my ears. And obviously when you've got curly hair you don't want to put your hair behind your ears. So I tend to either get a clip and twist it like that, so it's just at my face, or I get a bigger clip and like do it on both sides and like put it back like that. Or I tend to put it back and just do the whole thing like that, which I think I'm going to do it this way because I've got a lot of running around to do today and I kind of want it in my hair. I kind of want it out of my face. So I'm just going to be using one of these. These ones I got from Primark. Makes it a little bit easier and cheaper. I kind of like it as well because it does kind of like give a bit of a dint at the top of the hair. If I wear it like this the first day, it tends to, if I put it down tomorrow, because I won't have to redo it tomorrow, it kind of covers a bit of a dint that's in it at the minute, which is quite good. So yeah, that's my hair all sorted. I like the fact that these stay in for absolutely ages as well. The way that I did my hair, where I sectioned it off completely, that it stays in a lot longer, but I wanted it to be kind of like more loose. Now that my hair is kind of like more a natural colour. So yeah, I'll wake up in the morning and it'll still be like this. Obviously not as defined, it will drop ever so slightly, but I could still get away wearing this for a couple of days. Now and again, maybe on the, depending on obviously, because I've worn it up like this, if I do take it down, some of the bits at the back might need kind of like going over a little bit, or the bottom, but I tend to maybe have to redo a bit of it on the third day, so it does last a really long time as well. So like tomorrow I'll wake up and I won't really have to do anything with my hair besides from brush it and use a bit of hairspray in it again. But yeah, I love my hair like this and it's nice and wavy, but it looks kind of like natural waves as well instead of it being like spiral curls. So yeah, I love my hair like this. If you've got any questions about anything that I've used or anything at all, just put them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I upload videos on a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday. I'm also a mum of 2, so I upload videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, motherhood, things like that basically, and plenty of hauls and cleaning. So if it's something you're interested in watching, please don't forget to subscribe. But I hope you all have an amazing rest of the day and I'll see you soon. Bye!